My name is Wendy Yancey. We live in Lebanon, Tennessee. We found out about JVI Secret Gardens we were watching YouTube videos about ponds with Greg, the pond guy, and he was talking about aquascapes, so we just decided to Google aquascapes near us, and it came up with JVI Secret Gardens. And we decided just to take a trip to Donelson, and we went to their nursery and saw what they had on site, and we fell in love with every one of them. So we had to go back 2 or 3 times to find out which one we really wanted to get. Brandon and Chris were our crew members that came and did our work, and they were awesome. They felt like my children. We connected really well, and I loved working with them. I would surely recommend JVI to anybody who's wanting any kind of outdoor landscaping, ponds or features. They did awesome work for us, and working with Derek, we called him, he came out in September, and they are so busy that it was January before they could get to us because they had so many projects ahead of us. We love our pond. It's been a little cold to come out and enjoy it right now, but we're just waiting for the warm weather. We do have a fire pit, but we just hadn't had time to use it yet, and we just can't wait for the weather to warm up so we can come out here. We do come out every night, we don't care what the weather is, just to see the fish and see how they're doing. So if you want any kind of water feature in your yard, I would so recommend you go to JVI, work with them, let them come out and see what you have, and let them do whatever they want to do in your yard, because we just let them have free range, but they did exactly what they wanted to do, and they did an awesome job.